Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at new appliances because we're at that point in our new home construction. And so we're looking at this Samsung 4-door fridge. I know what you're thinking, but we're doing it for you guys because we had the 4-door flex fridge. We know that it got a bad reputation. The ice maker was really the biggest problem with it, but cleaning it was also another big problem with it. So we want to see if those things have been addressed and those things have been fixed with the new Bespoke. This is not going to be a sponsored video by Samsung. We are paying for this out of pocket. We'll give you the true dirt on any problems, any issues, anything we don't like. You get to change out these panels to be whatever color you want. And there's multiple colors that you can choose from. So this, I'm going to stop where Holly wants the color. There it is. Boom. She wants pink. And so we're going to get pink panels. So you get that. If you buy this, you get that. That's the kind of the promotion that they're having. Okay, the reason we like this is there's nothing else like it. So no other fridge freezer combo has the 4 doors. They mock it up. I think GE does a mock up, LG does a mock up where this becomes, when you open it, it becomes 1 door. We don't like that as much as we like this from a design standpoint. This bottom one on the right has the option to become a refrigerator or a freezer. So if you need things that are more frozen, you have an extra freezer space. If you need extra refrigerator space or you want a drink or beverage center, you can do that down here. If you want to put cans of beer, things like that, you can do that. So we also like the fact that this one, we didn't get the electronics that were for our old one. It was just stainless steel. This one is going to have the electronics in it as well. We're going to test all this stuff out. We're going to do multiple videos for you. We'll do cleaning videos for you because the cleaning was a big problem with the interior design of it. We'll do cleaning videos for you on it as well. And we'll test everything that you see today. And we'll give you a preview if you want to take a look at buying it as well. I also forgot that you get 2 different kinds of ice with this. So hopefully they fixed their ice maker and they got that handled, and it gives you 2 different kinds of ice, which I'm really excited about. We also really kind of like the price, to be honest with you. A lot of the freezers that are LGs, everything are a lot more expensive. And we feel like with a 5-year warranty, you know, it's worth the risk for us to show you whether you want to buy this or not. So we're doing it for you. Okay, so if you buy it today, you get it with this set of panels. So we get it with stainless steel, but you get an extra set of panels. So that's why we're getting the pink ones. And they're really supposed to be easy to swap out. And they're kind of on a hinge, and you can just pop them out, put the pink ones in, and then if you get sick of it, you can pop these back in. So you can buy these panels separately, but when you can get them for free for the special value, we're going to do that. We'll put a link in the description below for you and at your location. I don't know if they're running this kind of special for you, but you also, of course, have a 5-year warranty with this, is what we did last time, which is $300. So you're going to want to do that. And then what we really like about it, there's a bunch of different things we like about this one, but one of the biggest things that we like is you have the normal open fridge. But then you also have the ability, if I can find the handle, which I can't, it's at the bottom. We're going to cut that out. We're going to cut that part out. I thought I grabbed for it, but I did not. But it has the beverage zone. And so we like that as a beverage zone. It has multiple settings. It has a nice water pitcher thing that comes in here, so you can just do that for it, which you also can do that if you would like. So you have that capability. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Super thanks. It's always welcome. And we'll see you next time.